$7 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing.
Right from the start, we're dealing with a serious case. Jacqueline Sanchez facing revocation of probation. This isn't just a slap on the wrist if things go wrong. She could be staring down decades in prison. Let's see how this unfolds.
All right, court is calling 2021 CR 7498, State of Texas versus Jacqueline C. Sanchez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the State of Texas.
Defense?
Karen Corby for Jacqueline Sanchez, defendant, Your Honor.
Are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jacqueline C. Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7498 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of February 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jacqueline C. Sanchez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, state we resolve the violations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? All right, you're whispering.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, is for 2 years TDC.
That is our proposed agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give her the minimum? What has she done on probation?
Judge, I can tell you that she did complete drug court. Unfortunately, she kind of fell short in reentry court. She had tons and tons of negative UAs. She had been working really, really hard. I believe that the underlying offense was 7 grams. So I know it's 4,200, but it was closer to the 4 than it was a 200. And so she does have, I think, 139 days in jail. She just really just wants to put this behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's been working for 2 years at the Tower of Americas. She's hoping they'll keep her job open for her, depending upon how, if you follow the recommendation, how long it takes for her to parole. She's got a house that she bought. Her kids are living in it. They've been paying the rent. She's hoping that will sustain itself while she's gone. But Judge just wants to put this behind her and move on. But she did do a significant amount of work on this probation.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Notice what the judge just laid out. By admitting this violation, Sanchez risks the full penalty of her original charge, up to 20 years in prison. That's the danger of deferred adjudication. One slip and the deal is off.
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jacqueline C. Sanchez.
All right, why didn't you do well in drug court?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Why did you not do well in felony drug court?
I didn't have the money to pay for the UAs, ma'am.
No, felony drug court usually will not remove you from their program because you can't pay UAs. Are you telling the court that you were removed from felony drug court because you couldn't pay for the UA?
And I had a relapse. I had drank 4 beers, ma'am. She actually graduated from drug court, I believe. Mm-hmm. And then she went to the reentry. So I think she completed drug court. So I don't think she had a problem doing drug court. I think it's when she got out.
So here's my question. Why did they remove you from their reentry program?
Because I drank 4 beers, ma'am, on the 23rd.
No, usually it's more than that because felony drug court usually understands relapses. Am I wrong in that? Did they not understand that you had a relapse?
They usually do, ma'am, but this time they felt like I played them.
What do you mean by they felt like you played them?
They felt like I was lying. I lied to them.
Okay. All right. Probation.
Judge, the note that was received from drug court.
Well, just 1 second. Any objections to probation giving me some insight in whether or not I should follow this agreement?
Okay. And also, they found on my phone that I was trying to get
I was trying to get methadone for a friend because he relapsed and he was trying to get clean, and that's what I was doing. And I had somebody else ask me I was looking for marijuana for somebody.
Wait a minute, what?
I was looking for marijuana for somebody. They asked me to look for it. They text me if I could find it, and I told them yeah, but I never got to doing that.
Oh, so now we're getting to the point. So you were in felony drug court in the reentry program, and you were looking for drugs for other people.
Which I think she was looking for methadone and possibly marijuana. She's not, the perfect probationer, but that's what she told me, Judge. I don't think it was
I made a mistake, Judge. I'm sorry about that.
Nope, you made choices.
Here's a key moment. Sanchez claims she failed because she couldn't afford her drug tests, but the judge pushes back. Drug court doesn't usually kick people out just for lack of money. So what's the real story here? Do you think finances were the issue, or was it the relapse?
They're not mistakes, they're choices. All right, is there anything else?
Judge, again, we just ask that you consider the fact that she did spend a lot of time in drug court. She has been straightforward with you, I believe. And ask you to follow the state's recommendation of 2 years TDC.
All right, and do you want me to hear from probation or no, counsel?
Sure.
No.
I don't think my client's trying to hide anything, Judge.
Okay. Probation?
The information that was received from felony drug court was she did finish the program successfully. However, during the aftercare portion, there were UA tests with positive ETG results, and a phone search was conducted and text messages revealed that he was communicating with negative contacts and negotiating the sale of illegal drugs.
Okay.
I did reach out to felony drug court to see if they would be willing to accept for that, and if this was there or not.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 6 true.
So I think it's
I'm sorry, number 2 true.
Yes.
Thank you. The violation of condition number 2, the court is finding that to be true. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money were run concurrent. Was the $57 ever paid for the laboratory testing? Do you know if you ever paid that?
Drug court? Okay. No, I have not taken it.
Okay. There should be 50.
And there it is. The truth comes out. Not only was Sanchez struggling with her own sobriety, but she was allegedly helping others find drugs while still in the program. This shifts the case from personal relapse to active involvement in drug activity. That's a game changer in court.
$7 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. If you would like, I could have you referred to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase your time at the prison. It's just something to hopefully help you maintain your sobriety.
Okay, I'll take that.
All right, therapeutic community. Court's going to sentence you to 6 years in prison and give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I'm just leaving it to me right now.
Okay.
I explained to you. So you have one of the documents. You understand?
All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Because this is not, I did not follow your proposed agreement with regards to sentencing. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. even though you're going to the prison, if you get out of prison and you need help, you feel as though that's not being addressed, so you don't know who to contact, felony drug court is always available, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good luck to you. Today is the plea deadline date. Is he accepting the offer? Or does he wish to have a jury trial?
There's no offer, Judge. I haven't been able to confer with the state.
No,
So the
I'll-
last,
go ahead.
I
I'm
want to
sorry.
speak, Judge. The last time we were here, I wanted to verify what case he had pending out of San Patricio County.
Mhm.
And I was not here this morning. I had another appointment, and so I was recalled to 1:30.
All right, so did you confer with San Patricio County?
I did.
And,
He's on probation till 2027. And
All
then
right.
he has some certificates, and I want to tender those to the state, and I want to confer with them, but we obviously haven't had an opportunity to speak.
Wow, 6 years notice how the judge overrode the 2-year plea deal and handed down triple the time. But there's a twist. She's being sent to the Therapeutic Community, a program inside prison that focuses on rehab. Do you think that's justice or just a harsher punishment wrapped in rehab language?
all right, so this is going to be recalled, and next time you can't wear shorts for court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand. I apologize for that.
All right. This is going to be recalled, and it's going to be recalled on Monday, the 18th. You need to be here on time at 9 a.m. Counsel, if you're not in a jury trial out of county or somewhere else in a felony court, you're going to need to be here on time at 9 a.m. We're coming back on March 18th.
I have,
I'm missing work clothes.
Right, he
I'm
keeps-
in San Patricio.
he lives in San Patricio County, Judge.
Sorry to hear that. However, March 18th.
I know, Judge, but I have a civil matter on the 18th, but I'm here on other cases on the 19th.
All right, see y'all back on March 18th. Felony criminal court takes precedent over civil unless that is juvenile civil.
And I send through Zoom.
Sorry.
Can we do?
All right.
25th, Judge?
Sean Smith.
Sure.
All right, Mr. Blakely, the state has filed a dismissal in your case. You know why you were here. You know what you've done or what you have not done. You had better make changes in your life. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself in and out of somebody's jail. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm assuming the state has made contact with the complainant because that's the reason for the dismissal.
That's correct, Your Honor, and the state can confirm that there are no active or pending cases.
All right, then they'll probably release you from jail at 1 a.m. All right, good luck to you.
Thank
You're
you, Judge.
welcome. Excuse,
Thank
thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, who do you have with you?
Judge, thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
This is Judge Boyd. Judge Boyd, this is again Sanders.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
So what is your position at the office?
I'm currently a law clerk. I'm awaiting bar results.
Yay. Okay, you're gonna do great on the bar.
Yeah, I took it last week, so
Yay. You know what? When I took the bar, I took it in February.
Mhm.
And I don't know why they don't have something where they could at least, I don't know if they still do the multi-state, but at least they should be able to give you those results very quickly. I don't know why it takes so long. Right. And then it got to the point where I was just saying, I don't want to know. Ignorance is bliss. You're just walking around. Maybe I passed. Maybe I didn't.
Like
But-
I'm okay in this state.
oh, I'm right now in the state where I'm waking up in sweats because I'm like, I should have written this on the essay. I should have added this.
Yeah.
But
But I didn't find out. That was back in the day where you had to go to the library because nobody had a computer in their room. And I was just asleep in the dorm and people were calling me, you got the results. And it got to the point I said, stop calling me. I don't have the results. Just leave me in peace. And so the person said, well, fine, Esquire Boyd. I'm like, what? They're like, you passed. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh. And then,
yeah, so
of course, I had all the energy in the world. So we went and celebrated with Sprite. But congratulations. I'm
Thank
going
you,
to
Judge.
congratulate you beforehand because I know you're going to pass.
thank you, Judge.
And thank you for asking this.
All right. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Even after a harsh sentence, the judge leaves the door open, reminding Sanchez that help is still available. When she gets out, it's a sobering reminder. In drug cases, the line between punishment and second chances is razor thin. What do you think? Should the judge have shown more leniency? Or was this the wake-up call Sanchez needed?